Hey there, thanks for joining me on my channel. Jason Hubbard Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Today I'm out at Legado, Taylor Morrison community, and we're in the Summit collection today, and we're going to be looking at the Tyndall floor plan. This Tyndall floor plan is 3,537 square feet, has up to 4 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. It is a 1-story home. Let's go in and take a look and check it out. As we come in, just a reminder that this is the model home inside of the community. These model homes obviously are going to be heavily upgraded. They do not come like this when you build them unless you put in the upgrades to bring them up to this standard. Notice the long hallway coming in, nice 4-inch baseboards and highly upgraded flooring, plank tile. You walk down the hallway and you come right into a large open living room / great room area. And a beautiful kitchen with cascading countertops, quartz countertops. Looks like the Carrera quartz, gray maple cabinets, backsplash, gas range. This looks like it has a chef's kitchen with the gas range and the fan hood, double ovens, microwave. Beautiful island, pendant lighting. Perfect size master bedroom at the back of the house. Master bathroom here. This one has the separate tub. Dual sinks, walk-in shower. This one has the rain shower, the waterfall type shower, as well as another shower head there. As we come back out of the master bedroom through the main living area here, we'll take another look at that dining area, which overlooks a nice large patio. Looks like a 12 by 12 patio. And here you go, you have a den. Go back down this way here. And half bathroom for guests, right across from a massive laundry room. And you'll see this actually walks this butler's pantry here with the large pantry is right off the kitchen here. And then right down this hallway you have a decent sized guest bedroom suite that has its own walk-in closet as well as its own bathroom. And this hallway here with a mudroom going right into the garage. So coming back down, heading towards the entry, you're going to have a hallway here that splits off right at the entry to the left on this floor plan. First room here is a good sized guest bedroom with a walk-in closet. Right next to this bedroom is a bathroom with dual sinks And then you have a teen room slash flex room, whatever you want to call it, that goes right into the next bedroom here. And this bedroom also is a good sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. So lots of walk-in closets in the spare bedrooms. Again, Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home brokered by eXp Realty. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today of the Tyndall floor plan out here at Legado, the Summit Collection. The Tyndall floor plan, 3,537 square foot again, up to 4 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. This one currently right now has a base price in the low 800,000s. It's on a larger lot. The Summit collection is one of the larger collections inside of the Legado community. So again, in the low 800,000s for this model. If you have any questions or you have any comments, comment down below. I'd be happy to answer you and help you out with any questions you may have. You can also reach me at 480-588-2281. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can see future videos. Thank you so much again for joining me today.